morning, children. We are studying tissue in that sequence. The topic for today is nervous tissue. We are knowing not then those tissues, those group of cells is known as tissue. Then those tissues which are related to the nerves, which are involved in the function of nerves, are known as nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is the group of cells in the nervous system. There is a system, there are so many systems. Among those, nervous system is also one of them. Then those tissues which are involved to perform their activity in nervous system are known as nervous tissue. Nervous system is related to your brain, spinal cord. Thus, those systems which are related to the nervous system, and in those systems the tissues which are involved are your what? Nervous tissues. And which controls body movement. If you are moving your body, if you are going, if you are coming, if you are doing any activity, then who is controlling? Your brain is controlling, your spinal cord is controlling. You are getting signal from your brain and spinal cord to perform your movement, to do your activity. Then this system, nervous system, is related to your movement as well as send and carry message. Nervous system also send or convey the message and receive the message. Suppose anyone is telling something, then you are instructed or you are performing the instruction as well as you are giving instruction to anyone to do the activity. Both is related to brain and spinal cord, and brain and spinal cord is the part of nervous system. And which tissue is involved in those activities? Nervous tissue is involved in those activities. Then the function of movement, the function of receiving message, giving message, as well as to carries the signals, carries the information, are controlled by nervous system through each and every parts of your body. All the parts, there is nerve from top to bottom. And what is the unit of nervous system? The unit of nervous system is neuron. Neuron is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Then all the activities from top to bottom in your body is controlled by nervous system. How many kinds of nervous system? There are two kinds of nervous system: central nervous system as well as peripheral nervous system. In central nervous system, brain and spinal cord comes, and in peripheral nervous system, neurons. As I told you that neuron is the structure and function of nervous system, then this neuron comes in peripheral nervous system, which receives the signal of your brain. What brain? Instructive, you perform that. Suppose, for example, a mosquito is biting in your leg, then what your brain will do? Your brain will instruct your hand to beat that mosquito. Then from where your hand is getting instruction? Your hand is getting instruction from your brain to beat that mosquito. And these all activities are happening, this instruction is happening through the nerves. And instruction is first receiving by your muscle, and through that muscle your nerve is instructed to perform each and every activity in your body. Thus, nervous system is the system which is controlling whole the activity which are doing in your body. Now, function. What is the function of nervous system? Or nervous tissue? The function of nervous tissue or nervous system is to receive as well as to carry the information which is given by your brain and spinal cord. And this is happening through the muscle with the help of nerves which are in your body from each and every parts of your body. Thank you, children. I taught you nervous tissue, and I will give you some question on my topic which you will do in your body. Thank you.